Hey everyone, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 15 in the yellow color. We already checked out the pink, so let's go ahead and compare it to the next one here on the list. All right, interesting. Very washed out, very washed out. You might be even able to notice on camera how bright white that section is. If I cover it, it almost looks like white right there. Yeah, I don't really like this color. I will say that. I know that people get offended when I say I don't like a color. It's fantastic if you like the color. That is the point. Some people are meant to like it, some people are meant to not. That's why there's 5 different colors. This color for yellow, no. After the yellow that we got for halfway through the year, what was it? A year ago? A year and a half ago or so? That yellow was absolutely fantastic. Oh, the iPhone 14 in yellow. Yeah, I think that was it. What a stunning color, actually, especially in comparison to this. This is yikes. I think with a case it'll look fine, especially since you're showing this, and this yellow kind of looks like the best out of the bunch here. Not sure. You're kind of just comparing it, to the pink. You can kind of see the difference. The pink is just so bright and candy-like. The yellow is not. It's just kind of washed out. It looks like the printer ran out of pigment. Yeah, let's go ahead and remove the film here. Put that to one side. Here it is from the front. And yeah, not too bad from the front. It looks kind of more like goldish yellow there on the front. Not too bad. And then in the box, you are going to get a USB-C to USB-C, which is new. So the bottom here is now USB-C, so you can use this cable to charge your phone or your tablets or your Android phone. Absolutely anything is going to work now. You've probably heard about it. It's a great change. Let's go ahead and boot it up here. And you are not going to get a special sticker or anything. It would be nice if they did that. It's just a white sticker. Nothing else that's special in the box, unfortunately. But that USB-C is a welcome change. Now, real quick, let's go ahead and do this right away. Let's go ahead and put this into a clear case so you can see if you like that at all or not. We will be doing some other cases in the next videos, so it might work better with kind of a case that actually covers that back. It doesn't look bad, but it's just not my thing here. I really thrive off of nice colors and stuff, and you can see my emotion at the beginning of this video. It just took a dip. It just took a dip, and it's not gonna recover. Maybe it'll recover on the next one, on the blue one, but it's not recovering for the yellow. I can't find a good side to this color. Let's go ahead here and see it up close in slightly different lighting so you can see there. Very, very bright white is what I'm seeing. It's just washed out yellow. Not a good look, especially since yellow, sodas, it's kind of looking like that. I'm not sure. Yeah, here it is from a distance. What does that look like? I think in bright sun daylight, this is gonna just look like a white phone from a distance. It doesn't really shine that yellow nice. Like yellow should be like sunshine, especially in these colors, but this is like a really washed out Easter egg yellow type of thing. Like you painted an egg white and then it rained a little bit on Easter, and then this is what it ends up turning into. Let's go ahead here and text a little. You can see it there. I'm sure you could definitely make this look aesthetically pleasing with a case and some accessories and kind of adding more of a vibe to it. But by itself, it's very stark. It's not fantastic. And yeah, this phone retails for $800, comes with 128 gigabytes of storage, and you can see it there. It does have the new dynamic island up here, which is great. So it's basically last year's Pro model, but repackaged as the standard model. So the camera is going to be heavily upgraded. A lot of upgrades here. I do love the matte back. That finish is great. The aluminum feels nice and cool to the touch. No fingerprints here. Nothing's really going to be attracted here. The Pro models kind of have more of a fingerprint issue this year, which is interesting. And yeah, so here are the two 15s that we have so far. Pink versus yellow. Which one do you like more? And be honest, if you like the yellow, could you tell me why you would prefer the yellow over the pink, actually? And what you like about it exactly? Because I am curious. I personally just would never, like if someone gifted me this color, I would sell it and then buy something else. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next ones. Goodbye.